I was down, but I'm always gonna get back up. I'm my range, but I know I'm gonna get that truck. Done losing, I'm about to get that win.
Listen, a time was had last night. More like yesterday.
Sister Golden, now your life has just begun. Come on, Daisy, show your face. Welcome to our ocean hiding place. Sister Blue Eye waits for you. Come on, Daisy, your dreams will all come true. It's so good to be alive. Stop your complaining, enjoy it while you can. Soon it might be raining, feeling the rush of life. You're alive tonight. Electric energy coursing through your veins. You're alive. Now all the people that you meet dancing in the street on top of the world, feeling so alive. It's so good to be alive.
Hey YouTube, it's me Kristianna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to When in Doubt Peeing. Hello. So I really wanted to show you the clips and things from yesterday. We'll talk a little bit about that later on when we're doing my hair, but I am just in need of a little bit of a reset. I just woke up from the most delicious nap, okay? Can't even talk, so delicious, like delicious nap, okay? But I still haven't put my sheets on the damn bed yet, so let's do that. Not perfect, but it'll do, donkey, it'll do. Okay, so like I said, I have just been in need of a reset. I am currently deep conditioning my hair, and I can tell that it's almost time to wash it out. Oh, I should show you guys what I use. Old Faithful. Some of you might laugh. Old Faithful, okay? If you know, you know. If it ain't broke, don't break it, okay? And sometimes the legit stuff that we used to use before the natural hair movement became a movement were the things that were actually growing our hair. So there, chew on that. But yeah, even though we ended up not doing water rides yesterday because of the weather, it's just so crazy because here in Philly, like, we've been having so much like beautiful weather, but like extreme weather. Global warming probably. And then the day we decided we're gonna go somewhere, it's like 70 degrees barely, and we're freezing to death and didn't want to do any like water rides. Anyway, I just wanted to, like, I don't know, do some nice things for myself, reset a little bit, and chat with you. So we're gonna do that. I just realized that I never showed you guys the progress I've made so far on the wall. Now trust me, okay, this doesn't look like much. But it's taking me a little bit of time to like complete this. Mostly because like whenever I get tired or like feeling like I don't feel like doing it no more, I make a rule to stop altogether, because I don't want the design to start to look not like how I want it because I'm tired, right? So I just do a little bit whenever I get a chance, you know. This wall on this side is this wall over here though is almost finished. The very top of it still needs work, but it's like mostly there. Mostly got some gaps. You know, beauty takes time. Okay, so we gotta take a break for my favorite dinner. I got chicken teriyaki. I got some Philly rolls. I had to warm up a little bit more teriyaki because they were very skimpy. There's some broccoli under there, you know, healthy. And I got some salad and some rice. We about to tear it up and watch some Chicago Fire. Period. So I can blow dry my hair in the dark, but I damn sure can't straighten it in the dark. I will burn myself. Okay, so I'm just like setting up to go ahead and get myself straightened out. The air has been really dry lately. Like, we have gotten rain, but even then, once it clears up, like, the air isn't feeling super humid. So I'm deeply curious as to how long I can keep my hair straight, if it'll poof up or I don't know, whatever. I'm pretty much a straight natural now. Thanks to this flat iron right here, Silk. I will tell you, this flat iron is a little bit too good, because I am legit like a straight natural. I cannot wear my hair curly anymore. Am I sad about that? No. No, it actually makes doing my hair easier now. But some people might be sad at something like that. To wear my hair curly, I have to grow it out at this point. Okay, anyway, I am getting kind of tired now, because when we came home, or when I got dropped off, because mind you, I have a flat tire on my car right now, and I was like super bummed out about that. So my brother had to give me a ride home, and then I had a client today. She is celebrating her 30th birthday, and I did her makeup, and then after that I like took a nap. I just could not. And then I started the vlog as soon as I woke up, right? Because I knew I just like wanted to share my little outing with you. I knew I wasn't going to be able to vlog the day as it was happening, because there was a lot happening. But my family, my cousins and I, and my siblings, we just call ourselves the cousins, went down to the shore, Wildwood Shore, New Jersey. And it's not new to me, honestly. Like, when I was younger, my family would go down there during the summer, because my family at the time had a lot of people who worked in the casino. And back then, I don't know if they still do it, but back then they used to give casino workers like a picnic, and they would throw it at Wildwood. And so as a kid, me and my siblings really looked forward to the picnic, because you could go down there, go to the beach, you'd ride all the rides, roller coasters, like all that jazz, you know? And it was a lot of fun for my family growing up. But I think that's what made things kind of funny this time, because when we got there we realized like actually these piers are a lot smaller than they were when we were younger. When we were younger, it was like being at Disney World, basically. That's how it felt, like we were at Disney World. But now that we're grown, we're like, oh, I guess these rides weren't as big and scary as they were when we were younger. And also that some of the rides were definitely too big to be on, but it was fine. It was so fun. We got on a couple of rides, and then I think collectively we all decided like, all right now, that's that. And then we like went back to the Airbnb. I had got an Airbnb for me and my cousins, and we watched scary movies and just like hung out, you know, and it was so good, and it was much needed, I think, for me and just like for my family, because, you know, I say it all the time, is like, I think you know, I'm not alone in saying that I come from like very dysfunctional people, you know, and that can be really hard at times. And there was a situation that like happened in my family recently, and I like won't get all into that, but it really prompted this trip for us cousins to like go and spend time with each other. And I just really love, like, one of my favorite things about being a grown-up, like being an adult, being a grown-up, right, is that it is up to me most of the time what I do or how I react to different things that happen, or like how I am going to pivot bad situations into good situations, or, you know, just being able to take shit into my own hands, right? And this was definitely one of those situations where, you know, something happened and my cousins were like, oh hell no, we're gonna go do our thing, like we're gonna go get together, we're gonna spend time together, and we did that, and I love it so much. I love it. I love that like we don't even need anybody's approval to get together to decide that we're gonna spend time amongst one another. I love all of it, and I love that that is the type of agency that you can have as an adult. Like, being grown sucks sometimes, but then also being grown has its points. I'm still just like sectioning my hair out because I want to be able to do just like a little soft press situation. Soft so that at some point, if my hair doesn't want to stay straight, I can maybe do some foam rollers or something without having to wash my hair and start over. So we'll probably do just like a couple of quick passes per section and keep it moving. Can you believe like that it only took me a few minutes to blow dry this? I think I show it to you, but like legit did not take me any time at all. Let's use the black one for this section. Okay. Anyway, I think that there are just these moments I've been having lately where I'm like, wow, I'm really growing. I'm really growing as a person. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I love it. I'm growing as a person. I'm developing just like my own sense of the type of person I want to be within my family. And that's making some people ass itch. I'm not gonna hold you. That's making some people ass itch. But I can't care. Like, I cannot care. Can you tell like my therapy is really like eating? As a therapy girly now, okay, my therapy is really eating. I cannot give a fuck what nobody think. But I do care a whole lot about like what I think about even myself and how I'm showing up and how I'm interacting with other people. I do care about that, and I do care about who I am within my family, and knowing what people need from me. This is pretty. Well, I hope this lasts, actually. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls. Anyway, I'm not gonna drag you through this whole thing. I just wanted to pop in, hang out for a few minutes, and you know, we're doing our thing here.
to the dee dum dum. Twiddling your thumbs so you see I'm from uptown.